We have a brand new project called Company Directory and have opened the model in the Data Store Model Designer. By double-clicking on the tab, we can collapse the Solution Explorer. We will double-click on the Data Store class to change the name. We'll name it Company and press Enter. In the Properties tab, you can see the class name and a collection name based on the class name. We'll change the collection name to the plural, Companies, for simplicity. Next, we'll add some attributes to the Company Data Store class. We will click on the green plus sign and enter an attribute called Name. The tab key will take us to a drop-down list with available data types. The name is a string. When we press Enter, we are automatically dropped to the next line for entry of another attribute. We'll continue on with more attributes: URL, string, date founded, a date, sales volume, number, and finally logo, which is an image. By convention, data store class names, in our case company, is capitalized. Attributes begin with a lowercase letter and are lower camel cased if more than one word, such as sales volume. You can identify the ID as the primary key by the key icon. You can change the primary key by double-clicking in the key column of an attribute, or by selecting the data store class and choosing an attribute from the drop-down list of appropriate options. We'll set the primary key back to ID. With a primary key, there are two required properties, mandatory and unique. Auto sequence is selected by default. Each data type has its own set of properties that can be defined in the Properties tab. You can discover those on your own.